Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. If you guys are having a great day, make sure you guys say subhanAllah. If you guys are not like a miserable kind of day, it's okay, guys. It's totally fine. It happens with everybody. You guys just need to pray Fajr. Make sure you guys say 5 times every day and pray Astaghfirullahu Rabbi min kulli zambi wa atubu ilayh. And so today, guys, I'm here with my sister. Assalamu alaikum. So, this she is gonna be like I'm gonna be like the teacher and she's gonna be like my student for every day. So we're gonna introduce to you some books. This is my first video. So I have like a schedule for every day in this notebook that we have. So I'm going to show you guys that at the end. So first we have an Ahlul Sunnah book. I learned this stuff in Madrasa. I got all these books from Madrasa because our Madrasa provides us with everything. So this has ayats and everything. It can tell you about the past. It has like beliefs of the Ahlul Sunnah, classical scholar, like proofs, and it has proofs from the prophetic tradition and stuff. And it has the Quranic ayats. Okay, and next we have Heavenly Jewels. This is a book for elder women. So I am going to be reading that someday where elder women can I have learned it because I'm only 11, but it's like a private and necessary for women. So yeah, we're going to be learning that. And also I have this Laws of Salah. I have read this book like 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Mashallah, finished the whole book, and it's very easy. It just tells you about Salah stuff, traveling Salah. Let's see. Like Fard of Salah, wuzu stuff, how to improve on your Salah technically. Next, we have Nurani Talim. So this is the part 3. And this is the part 4. Because the part 1 and 2 is like basic stuff and I don't have them right now because I have no idea where they went. So this is the third part. And it has some like regular stuff like what do you call a Muslim? Who are you? So like chapters of Iman, chapter of Allah, you know. Can we say Allah Miyan? No, Allah Miyan should not be said. So yeah. And this, for example, let me name you one. It's a day of Qiyamah, day of judgment, and angels, Farishta, Allah Ta'ala's holy books, yeah. And next we have, let's introduce this one. So we have learned that in class 1, and it tells you about like Iqfa, Qalqala, all the important stuff, Gunna. So this is an example, guys. We are going to be doing this today because today is Monday, and I have a schedule. So yeah. Side. Sorry, guys. And next we have
an Amma-Para.
Yes, an Amma-Para. So that has like all the small surahs. So it has like Surah Nas, Surah Nasr, Surah Kafirun.
But like in the ending, it has more bigger surahs.
In the ending, it has like bigger surahs, which are like 2-3 pages, but they're not that big actually. So yeah. Next, I have like this other Amma because she got the latest one in the Madrasa, but I didn't. But I honestly prefer this one better because it explains what Qalqala and Tajweed is. So we're going to be teaching you guys this one, okay? So she's going to use that for Sabah because we have online Madrasa, okay? So, I know, but that one explains more, has like a brief explanation. Okay, here, you can explain
this. Is a reference book 1. It's going to be a little hard, maybe, or easy.
It has questions. You explain it, I'll hold it.
It has questions that are very easy.
And it has like the answer so you guys can like see.
Yeah, it says A over here for answer. Question 1, who are we? For A, it says Muslim. It means answer. Yes, so we're Muslim.
And next we have
du'as.
So these du'as are just necessary du'as, everyday du'as that we should do. Let me name you a few, like when waking up from sleep, when sleeping, when replying to a greeting. That should be very easy. And next, I'll explain now. So next we have class reference book 2. This is the same thing, it just has question and answer in the front. Okay? Sorry guys, it's a little messy. Here's not what I love to draw. So, and here is the du'as. These du'as are a little bit more important and a little bit, they're not that hard, but this one is probably going to take a few minutes to learn. The other ones you can just
Yeah,
probably
but these
get them.
ones you have to use like a lot more than that.
Yeah, this one is, these are kalimas, these are all surahs. This one, yeah, and this one has hadith. So this tells you about everything. And next we have kalimas at the end. And yeah, okay.
Next is reference book 3.
But some kalimas are kind of wrong. So we have in other reference books there are like they have like the proper kalimas. So yeah, this is reference book 3. Okay, and says like regular day, everyday du'as, like dua when looking into the mirror.
But it doesn't have the
pray this all the
question.
time. It does not have the questions. Starting from 3, 4, 5, it does not have the questions. Next, we have kalima istighfar. I actually knew this one, but I haven't been praying it lately, so I still need to revise that one. But you guys should pray that every day 3 times after namaz. Okay, and then we have some surahs with their meanings. Next, we have Ayatul Kursi. This is a must. You guys need to know this. Next, we have, this is the regular everyday stuff, azan stuff, and this is for wudu. I like this reference book mostly because it has wudu stuff. And so I'll show you guys what it has in the end. So as I was saying, guys, this has hadiths too. This has more hadiths. For example, let's say inna sadqa bir, and what is that? Certainly truthfulness is piety. Okay? And next is 4. These are very, very necessary du'as you guys need to know. So dua masura, you guys pray after, we have to pray this after Du'ud Ibrahim. Well, there's other du'as that you guys can pray too, but this is what I pray in Salah after Du'ud Ibrahim. And then it's Kalima Asta. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, these are very necessary du'as, like dua when setting the moon. These are everyday du'as. This one is an everyday du'a. This one too, and this one you guys can pray too. It's a very short du'a, but it has very, very long meaning, which is good. This is when visiting graves. These are very easy. It's just you guys might have a little bit of trouble on this. And maybe this, I don't know, because I had a little bit of trouble on this. I got this one right away. Next we have the proper 5th kalima al-kufr. And next we have just the Tashahhud and Du'ud Ibrahim and dua after Du'ud Ibrahim. As I was saying, instead of Du'ud al-Masura, you guys can pray this. And, one second. So here you guys go. We have Salah, okay? So let's say, for example, Fajr has 2 rakat sunnat and 2 rakat farz, and there's some question and answer. So yeah, and then as you guys know, there's some hadith and kalimas at the very end. So this one has necessary du'as like du'a kunut, du'a dom, du'a awal, in depth or worried. This one has du'a kunut, du'a firzan, and this has the first 10 paras of the Quran Sharif, and it just has hadith and kalimas at the end. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys my schedule. So the schedule is in pen over here. If you guys want to screenshot it, I'll let you. Can you guys see that? Yep. Okay. So I had to add in this Sunday thing. So HJ is for heavenly jewels. Okay. I wrote some of them in short form. So Monday we have Qaida. So Qaida is the Madni Qaida that I showed you guys right here. Okay. Next we have reference books. These books that I showed you, the 5 reference books. Like one is this, for example. Okay, that's the 5th one. Next we have Nurani Talim. As I showed you guys, Nurani Talim part 3 and part 4. Okay, and next we have Laws of Salah. This one. Okay, so you can like improve more on your Salah. Okay, and next we have Ahl al-Sunnah, which is going to be on Friday. Okay, so Qaida is going to be on Monday, Madni Qaida, and then Tuesday is reference books, Wednesday is Nurani Talim, Thursday is Laws of Salah, Friday is Ahl al-Sunnah. Ahl al-Sunnah is on Friday, then Heavenly Jewels is on Saturday. Okay, and then Sunday is going to be surahs. So we're going to do surahs from the Holy Quran. First of all, guys, we're going to start off with the little surahs and make sure she memorizes them so she can recite and you guys can listen. So, and I'll recite in proper tajweed, and she can recite, and then I'll teach her how to do in proper tajweed, so you guys can learn along too. Okay. So first, for the day, we have Madni Qaida. So I am going to take the Madni Qaida. So I have this little picture. So these are like the teeth. This is the tip of the tongue, and this is like the gum that you have at the top. Okay? And this is the throat, and this is the uvula. Okay? So ha and ghain are from the top of the throat. And then what letters are next? Ain and ha are from like almost like the middle of the throat. And these are at the bottom of the throat. Hamza and ha and hamza. Next is ya. It's at the very bottom of the throat. Right?
Yes.
So I am going to do the qaida. Okay? And you guys are going to be seeing one. Okay, so yeah, so as you guys know, we have the huruf tahajji here. This is what we call the whole Arabic alphabet. But one is, one alphabet is a huruf. So let's say, what's this? Ha, it's a huruf. But this whole thing is a huruf tahajji. Okay? So here guys, I'm going to teach her. You guys can play along too. Alif.
Alif.
Okay? So you're going to play along then. Ba.
Ba.
Then ta.
Ta.
You explain where that comes up from?
From the top of your teeth.
It's like
touching your gums.
The tip of your tongue touches here.
Your gums.
Like your gums. Like in between your gums and your
Ta.
teeth. What's that? It's a ta.
Ta.
And then sa.
Sa.
So you guys need to make it, before saying that, you guys need to make like a sound. It's like a little snake. Just for example, guys. Yeah, so she's right. So your tongue needs to show out. And then it's proper one. Remember, Jeem.
Jeem.
See, I taught her very good. Sorry guys, 1 second. This, Jeem, you can't move your lips. So don't be like Jeem. It's Jeem. Okay? Okay, so as I was saying, Jeem then, it's Ha.
Ha.
Guys, so remember where Ha comes out from, okay?
Ha.
From here, from the middle of the throat. Okay, so, yep, she's right here. So it's Ha.
Ha.
Good job. Then it's Ha.
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 So before doing that, you need to make it more like a sound. I don't know what you should explain it as, like scratching a chalkboard or something. But very lightly. Ha. Sorry, you shouldn't be making the noise. I need a little bit of practice too, but I got it. Ha. Okay? And then it's da.
Da.
So da comes from the same place as da. You know where you touch your teeth here? In between the gums and the teeth, right? That's where da comes out from. So da. That's why, you know what? It's a coincidence. They both are underneath each other. And for da, it's sa and za. They both come out from the same place. Za. Sa. They both have the tongue sticking out a little bit. So they both are underneath each other. So that is a coincidence. And the next, so say za.
Za.
Good job. And now say ra.
Ra.
Good job. So for ra, guys, here, let me sit this way so it's comfortable.
You have to make a sound like this. But only for like 1 second. Ra.
Yes. So she is explaining right. Then after ra is za.
Za.
So you guys can see clutch your teeth together. Za. Like a buzz. Like a bee buzzing. Yeah. If you guys can do that, then I'm pretty sure you guys will master za. Okay? The next is seen. So za and seen, they both are literally the same thing. Like okay? Okay, the next is sheen. Make sure you guys look at my lips. They're not moving. Look. Sheen.
Sheen.
Do it again.
Sheen.
Good job. So sheen and jeen, you can't move. Jeen and sheen, you can't move your lips. Okay? Just guys, try to remember that, because when you're praying in the Quran Sharif and you guys move your lips, that is a very big mistake and it's not good. Okay? Then what's after sheen is sad.
Sad.
So yeah, good job. So she used to have difficulties. So guys, you guys will have difficulties after sad, okay? But after Line, you guys will be totally fine. Okay? So, you guys can screenshot that, okay? If you guys didn't get that, back with the video. And yeah, so after it's WAD. She has mistakes on this. You know why, guys? Your tongue, this whole side has to touch up. So, WAD. She said LOD. Don't make sure your tip of your tongue does not touch here.
Lord.
It's sorry guys. It sounds like LOD. Sounds like LOD, but it's LOD. LOD. It has like a little noise. LOD. Kinda. Okay? But just make sure the tip of your tongue doesn't touch here at all. So look at me. This whole side has to touch here. LOD. Not bleh. Don't make sure guys, don't do it. Make sure guys your tongue doesn't touch out. Okay? So yeah guys, as I was saying, make sure that tongue touches here. So make sure it does not touch your front teeth, okay? LOD. It sounds like I'm saying LOD, but it's not. Okay, next we have FAW. Okay, so you have to like you go okay? So your tongue has to start up here, and then what's at the third part? It has to okay, like has to here. Thaw. Good job. You have to lift up your back tongue. Thaw, so it can like touch the back of your throat. Good job. So law is like you guys have to do this. Look. Okay. Law. Good job. Make sure your back of your tongue touches the top. Okay. Next we have Ain. That's it. Ain. You have to make sure your back of your tongue, as I said, touches your throat. Like hit like a bat hitting a ball, like that. I'm sorry, guys. No, not Ain. Yes. And then you guys have line. You know when you say ha from ha? So line and ha come out of the same place. So line. I prefer that line is way easier because ha you guys can kind of make like the sound sometimes. So it's ha and line. Okay. So as I said, guys, for Sheen, don't move your lips. For Jeem, don't move your lips. I mean, you guys can move your lips for the other ones, but just try not to do like thaw, not too much, okay? Okay, next, Okay, next we have fa. Yeah. So this it's very simple. How to touch here? Fa. Like an F. Fa. Okay. Then next we have off. We don't call this. It doesn't come out from the throat. It comes out from the very beginning of the mouth. Okay, from where it begins, from at the back. So it's pronounced with the mouth, not with the throat. So it's off. Good job. Next we have gas. It's not like off, like a thick voice, you know. It's like a very thin voice. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, you can't make like a thick noise with it. Don't make like a very thick noise. Okay. Next is lamb. Okay. Lamb. It's very simple. Just say lamb. Yeah. Anyway, then there's meme. Good. Then there's noon. You guys should know how to say noon. And meme. Meme. You know, it shouldn't be like meme. It should be meme. Good job. And then you say noon. Good. MashaAllah. Next, you should say wow. Like, just like saying like, wow, MashaAllah, you're so great. Like that. Like, wow. Then you have ha. So it's just like a regular, like, as I said, off is thick. Gas is not. And wow. Sorry, guys, 1 second. So, as I was saying, Kaf is thick. Sorry, kaf is not thick. Qaf is thick. And so ha is thick. But this ha, and I'm pointing, yeah, this ha is not thick. This ha, like ha. Yeah, good job. MashaAllah. So say, sorry guys, 1 second. So yeah, all you have to say is, okay, so as I was saying guys, this Hamza is going to be not with a thick voice. Okay? Because Ain is with a thick voice. This is not going to be with a thick voice. It's going to be Okay? Next, we're going to have ya. Okay? Ya.
Yeah.
So say ya.
Yeah.
Ya should be very easy, guys. Ya, and ha come out from the very bottom of your throat. Very bottom of your throat. It should be very easy to say. So yeah. So if you guys should practice this and probably like repeat this video every day so you guys can get it and you guys can get used to doing the video and everything. So like you guys can like get used to like performing, how to like do it say properly, and yeah. So and I have a few more things to say. So the letter ba, okay, count these ba, then mim, okay, then wow, okay. There are 4 letters. But I don't get them. Okay, there's ba. Okay, with alif, then ba comes out from the mid lips. Ha, kha, dal, ra, za, sin, shin, swa, da, fa, za, ain, ghain, fa. Okay, fa comes out from the lips too. Remember that. Fa. And then there's meme. There's wow. Wow comes out from your lips too because these are to clutch together. Wow. Wow. Should be very easy. Okay, and next, so this is all, guys. Yeah, meme comes out from the lips too. So you guys should take a screenshot of this and you guys should save it or somewhere so you guys can always know where the voices come out from in your throat or in your mouth or from your tip of the tongue and everywhere. So this is all the lesson today, guys. We know what the coincidence is going on, guys. So make sure you guys stay home and stay safe. And inshallah, next time we'll do another video. Allah Hafiz!